Good morning, everybody. MELI is a stock that we trade almost every day, whether it goes down or up. Today, we've had a 73-point move in MELI. We started with the gap open up here on the daily chart. Then we went up and we made the high at 687. So basically, what I want to tell people over here where my pointer is, this is a $630 call. They were really on sale over here at $22. Today's low, that call is 25.50, 60-minute call chart. This is the call chart, and we peaked out up here at $55. That is a 100% move. This is an intraday call chart that option traders don't know how to use, and 99% of them have never even seen a call or a put chart, but they want to trade the options and whatnot. So one of the things that we're going to say is we're going to continue to hold it, and we're at the highs on the 630 call along with the daily chart. Look at that. What a nice move. It started with an upgrade, and then bam, people stepped right in and they bought MELI, MELI. The big players bought it all the way up here. What a great trade. That's the best trade that we have today as far as a lot of the other moves. BKNG, will be updating that one. That one's had a huge move too. So once again, how to trade options, how to use the tools that are not available to people, and how this can make a world of change. And that is definitely a gap breakout, and it was a runaway gap breakout.